If you want to sell products in Canada, setting up a Shopify store there ensures correct currency, taxes, and shipping for Canadian customers. Start by going to the Shopify website and signing up with your email and store name. Choose a plan or start with a free trial to access your dashboard. Once inside, go to Settings and then General. Update your store address to a Canadian address and select Canada as your country. Set the default currency to KD so customers see prices in Canadian dollars. Next, configure your shipping settings to define rates for Canadian regions and select payment methods that support Canadian transactions, such as Shopify payments, credit cards, or PayPal. Add your products and customize your store's design using themes. Once everything is ready, publish your store to make it live for Canadian customers. After publishing, your Shopify store is set up to sell in Canada with the correct settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.